I finally got around to growing the carbon tomato this year. I had always heard so much about it, so it was time. I wanted to grow it because I heard it was sweet with a little bit of tang, but also with some smokiness. Unfortunately, my plant this year didn't have a high yield, but it did initially have a decent amount of flowers on it, and I think our inconsistent weather played a huge role in the lack of tomatoes for this variety this year, but I was able to try a few tomatoes. Right away, I learned that everything I had heard about this variety was true. It was sweet and tangy, and there was some smokiness to it, but all of the flavors were really nice and balanced, and each flavor profile that I was picking up didn't overpower each other. On the Brix meter, it had a reading of 7.3, and for tomatoes on the Brix meter to be considered a sweet tomato, we're looking for an 8 or higher. So while it wasn't at an 8, I'd say it was close enough, and perhaps if I had gotten more than a few tomatoes this year, I could have taken more samples. Texture wise, I thought it was great. It was nice and meaty, and it wasn't too seedy, and I would say it would make an excellent tomato for a sandwich, but I loved it just on its own. Although I didn't get a high yield this year, I will try growing this one again because I really loved the complex flavor, and I am hoping that this year was just a fluke with the weird weather. But overall, the carbon tomato is a variety I would recommend trying out if you haven't tried it before.